In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable the Home button on the DuckDuckGo web browser. The Home button is a useful navigation tool that allows you to instantly return to a page you use frequently with a single click. If the Home button is missing from your DuckDuckGo browser, or if you'd like to customize how it works, the browser provides simple settings that let you enable it, choose where it appears, and decide which page it opens. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the entire process. To begin, open the DuckDuckGo browser on your computer. Once the browser has launched, look toward the upper right corner of the window and click the Menu button. This will open a list of browser options and settings that you can customize. From the menu, select Settings. After the Settings page opens, navigate to the General section. This area contains several options that control the browser's everyday behavior and appearance. Scroll through the general settings until you locate the Home button settings. Here, you'll find an option that allows you to turn the Home button on or off. If the button is currently disabled, simply enable it to make it visible on the browser's toolbar. Once the Home button is enabled, you'll notice additional customization options. One of these settings allows you to choose where the Home button appears within the toolbar. Depending on your preference, you can position it on the left side or the right side of the back button. Select whichever place in it feels more natural and convenient for your browsing habits. You'll also find a setting that determines what happens when you click the Home button. This option gives you the flexibility to choose the page that opens whenever the button is selected. If you have a favorite website that you visit regularly, you can enter its web address and make it your home page. Alternatively, you can choose to have the Home button open the browser's new tab page instead. This option takes you to the default DuckDuckGo start screen, which many users prefer for quick access to search and browsing tools. After selecting your preferred Home button settings, there's nothing else you need to do. The browser applies these changes immediately, so there's no need to restart or reload anything. From that point forward, the Home button will appear in the location you selected and open the page you've chosen whenever you click it. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully enabled and customized the Home button in the DuckDuckGo browser, making navigation faster and more convenient. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.